Hi, today is Tuesday, the 16th of February, and this is a shorter week after a long weekend, President's Day. And the market, as you have seen on Friday, market was going up. It didn't even look back and passed the 39.45, and now it's probably aiming. Overnight 39.65. This is exactly 300 points since GameStop saga. As you can see, this is a crazy market. Anyway, this is the weekly recap, so let's focus on our trades. Maybe before a quick look at the extreme structure, flattish for the contango short term. Right, okay, now let's look at our trades. The March trade has ended the week okay, 39.34. Now we are 39.50, 60. So the trade, well, you can see that we're getting a little bit too close to the IV trough because delta, as you can see from here, we're going to start losing. So on this trade, I've got 60 cents, maybe 60, 70 cents. I would probably go for another risk reversal that will cost me nothing. But since we are not looking at any reversal soon, I'd rather go this way. I may just go for another roll instead of reducing this because I don't really want to go delta positive either. So the other possibility would be to go for yet again another roll here. That will cost me next to nothing, and I can be fairly happy with this. But of course, I will check what my delta looks like. I'm happy to have more Vega here. The SPX VIX correlation is good, about 75%. VIX is actually quite applicable because we are 30 days away here. So this trade should be okay. In case of reversal, yes, it's going to sink, but in terms of hanging in there, this trade is covered a long way down. So I may just leave it, depending on the volatile behavior, and seeing whether my T plus zero doesn't sink that much. So I anticipate when the market makers start in 25 minutes to see probably just below 500. If it's around 500, I may leave it there today. If it's lower, it means that the volatility remains high, basically a little bit of concern in this very bullish market. So that will be really where my T plus zero goes early in the day. April is not looking that good simply because I started with my CCS a little bit too early before the trough was actually forming. So this is about okay. At this point at 4,300, I'm not really worried about the CCS. So I need to build up this trade. Volatility is not very enticing, but if I add something like a small add-on here, narrower because the volatility is dropping, I will probably flatten delta a little bit extra Vega, but that's okay. Negative delta, and I need to start raising this UEL. I think in terms of RECT, I am a little bit maxed up here. So I may have to, sorry about this, the framing was not correct. Anyway, so I may need to close February to release some capital for April. Okay, so that's it for this one. So it's not very pleasant, but it's not a trend smash either. It's not very stressful. Market is frustrating, but that's the way it is. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll be later on Slack as every day. Bye for now.